Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience with the product, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at TeraBox, found at https://terabox.com. TeraBox offers a substantial amount of free cloud storage, which makes it an attractive option for many users. However, like any service, it has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Before you jump in and commit to using TeraBox, it's crucial to understand what you're getting into. This review aims to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. We'll explore the features, functionality, and potential drawbacks of TeraBox to give you a comprehensive overview. This will cover everything from the sign-up process and user interface to file management and sharing capabilities. Security and privacy are also important considerations, so we'll touch on those as well. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether TeraBox is the right cloud storage solution for your specific needs. Whether you're looking for a place to back up your photos, store important documents, or simply share files with colleagues or friends, understanding the nuances of TeraBox will help you maximize its potential benefits. So, let's delve into the details and discover what TeraBox has to offer. We'll examine the platform's performance and reliability, as well as any limitations you might encounter. It's important to consider factors like upload and download speeds, especially if you're working with large files. We'll also look at the different subscription plans available if you decide you need more storage than the free tier provides. Ultimately, choosing a cloud storage provider is a personal decision based on individual needs and preferences. This review is designed to equip you with the knowledge necessary to make the best choice for you. Don't forget to check the description for all the relevant links and further information.